Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So, quick fun fact: if you want to see prices of correlations, you all you gotta do is wait for a sell-off on the big two, right? So the big two are always going to be Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum just sold off hugely as soon as it hit previous all-time highs, right? It hit previous all-time highs and then boom, major sell-off. So all you got to do is go through every single ticker, figure out which one is connected on the same sell orders as Ethereum, and you'll get a really good idea of which ones are going to move as long as Ethereum and Bitcoin actually move, or more so Ethereum, since Ethereum was the leader on that sell-off. So keep in mind, as long as Ethereum moves, you're going to have Cardano move, you're going to have Polygon move because you have those big sell-offs again. Same thing. Anchor, not really Stellar Lumens, not really any of these. Bitcoin actually sold, had a pretty good lag behind Ethereum. So I wouldn't say that Bitcoin is connected to Ethereum at all. I'd say if anything, Bitcoin was a reaction. So keep in mind that when you have these big sell orders, there's bound to be a lot of connections of the same sell order or on the same sell order as other crypto. So if Ethereum goes to $4,500 and a big whale decides to sell right there, more than likely he's gonna sell there as well as a lot of other positions. So that's why you see a lot of correlation between sell-offs between Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? But really simple way to see which ones are going to move with Ethereum are going to be all the ones that I showed you. Maker is probably going to move with Ethereum. And then you also have, I think I saw Axie Infinity, the same thing, right? Axie Infinity, big sell off. And again, you're looking for exact correlations of what just happened, right? Other than that, I don't really see a lot of correlation for a lot of other things, except for the ones that I just mentioned now. So again, when you have big sell-offs, you can kind of note which ones are actually going to move with Ethereum, by looking at the correlation and, connecting, what is it called? Connecting, the sell orders or the sell limits that Ethereum has connected to all the other altcoins. So when Ethereum sells off or when Ethereum runs, more than likely you're going to have Cardano, Polygon. Let me see what else is here. Maker, and also Axie Infinity connected to Ethereum. So if Ethereum runs, all those are going to run. If Ethereum crashes, all those are going to crash. And when it comes to Bitcoin, you have more correlation. Bitcoin with like Doggy now, with like, I think that's the only one I've really seen correlation with. As far as I think Bitcoin runs by itself, and Doggy Coin is like the only correlated one that I've seen run with Bitcoin. Shiba Inu actually performs better when the rest of the market goes down. But again, super easy way to tell which whales control what and what positions they control. So as soon as you saw Ethereum sell off, you saw Cardano, Polygon, Axie Infinity, Maker, and those are the ones that are going to run with Ethereum. Those are the ones that are going to sell off with Ethereum. So I'll see you guys later. Just a quick fun fact.